When you take a bath with soap and water, you wash away germs and keep your body healthy.
Does the kitty Weddy want a nice warm bath? Okay, the water's just right. Soon you'll be a pretty itty witty bitty kitty. Yes, you will. Come back, itty bitty witty. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, Callie. Callie is treated to an unexpected bath. Bath!
Hey, hey, hey! It's bath day. I love a good warm bath.
Hi, Rubble. This tub's ready for Rocky, but I can't seem to find him. It's all yours.
Thanks, Katie.
Ah.
Perfect.
Rocky is happy to give up his bath time to Rubble. Bath!
Uh-oh!
Ooh, I stink.
The only way to get rid of skunk stink is a tomato juice bath.
But where can we get a bathtub full of tomato juice?
I know.
Whoa!
There's a whole storeroom full at the restaurant.
Great! I know who to call.
Tomato juice! Ow, ow! Water! Ow! Ow, ow! And towel.
Yay! Now Grandpa doesn't stink anymore! My grandpa took a tomato juice bath to stop smelling like a skunk. Taking a bath and keeping clean is an important part of being healthy. Brushing. Brushing your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste cleans your teeth and keeps your mouth healthy. I can't go to the Puptacular show without a pup.
Okay, I'll do it.
You will? Really? Oh, Rocky, you're the best pup ever.
Yes.
Oh, Rocky, it's so you.
What do you call this?
A faux hawk.
Not bad.
And for the finishing touch,
Rocky likey.
Katie brushes Rocky's teeth and gives him a new look. Brushing.
Seaweed.
Cool. Seaweed rules.
Not bad.
Need another picture of me, Rocky? Marshall, you've got seaweed in your teeth.
Hey, so do you.
Huh? Me?
Let's see those smiles, pups.
Everybody's green.
Don't worry, pups. A brush and a floss and you'll all be smiling bright in no time. There. Perfect.
Now how about that photo you wanted, Marshall?
Ryder brushes the pup's teeth to a sparkly shine. Brushing.
We won't hurt you, big fella. Just say cheesy cheese.
Look, there's driftwood stuck in his teeth. Poor dude must have a monster toothache. You're right. This whale could use a little brushing and flossing.
Trust me, it won't hurt.
Time to floss. Open wide, dude. We did it! Great job, pups!
The team brush and floss the whale's teeth to fix his toothache. We keep our teeth and gums healthy by brushing and flossing twice a day. wash our hands with soap and water, especially after using the bathroom or before meals.
Your portable pet wash is a great idea.
How does it work?
Rubble. Katie's portable pet wash has a sudsy tub and arms that scrub. Your pet goes in the pet wash dirty and comes out purty.
Wow, I bet your pet wash could even clean me.
When you get dirty, remember to wash your hands. Even you, Rocky. Hey, you're blocking the screen.
Hi, Katie. Thanks for helping.
No problem, Marshall. I brought special soap to wash the oil off the baby whale.
Katie, I brought a whale of a cleaning job.
I'm glad I brought my extra big brushes. This is special soap to get the oil off without hurting your skin. See, bath time's not so bad. Katie saves a baby whale using soap to wash away the dangerous oil. Psst, move. Thank you.
Okay, Marshall, enough water.
What's that, Ryder?
Whoa!
Turn off the water!
Marshall!
Oops. Woo, woo. Sorry, Rubble.
Marshall and Ryder accidentally wash Rubble too. When we wash, we get rid of germs. That means we won't get sick as much. Sneeze. A sneeze is your body's way of getting something it doesn't like out of your nose.
Okay, ready to unroll, pups?
Ready. It sure is dusty. Achoo! The dusty balloon makes Chase let out an uplifting sneeze. Oh, you're blocking. Can you please move? Now drink up all your chicken soup. It'll help you feel better.
Thanks, Katie. Achoo!
Pups, duck your head and the cold won't spread. Like this. Achoo!
What a bunch of good pups. Achoo!
If you have to sneeze, make sure to cover your mouth. Sneeze. Grandma sent treats. Nice catch, Callie. Achoo! Achoo! Chase is so allergic to cats that his sneeze knocks everyone over. Dust, being sick, or allergies to pets can all make you sneeze. Achoo! Sneeze. Nutrition. Fever.